Hi, this Elmo. Elmo is jacked.
Hey, it's Merlin again with another annoying video. So I took my 12-year-old to Parish Hill, and they were talking about, hey, stop on by, we got vaccines. And it's just, how is that possible? Somebody please tell me how this is happening. Pfizer itself says you will have a severe side effect, 0.03% of people. The CDC, Centers for Disease Control, rate the risk of a child being hospitalized or dying from COVID at 0.0002%. I had it at 4%. I looked it up. I was wrong. It's less. How is that possible? 0.03% is by far higher in order of risk magnitude than 0.0002%. Somebody please tell me I'm wrong. How can you put a child at risk knowingly and not be held liable? You're not legally responsible for this? And people want to get their kids vaccinated when the risk is higher of a severe side effect than actual hospitalization. And what they don't understand is that the kids who do get it and are hospitalized and unfortunately pass away are severely sick already. Do your research. This video brought to you by
Elmo and
oh, look at my boobs. Aha! Been working out.